Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from SafePal to Cash App. First, open or launch the SafePal mobile wallet application. After that, you will land on the home page of the app, just like you can see here. Next, you will see all the available tokens. From the coins that are here, choose Bitcoin. After that, you will see this page where there are several options such as Swap, Receive, and Send. From the options, tap the one named Send. Next, you will see another page where you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to send. Go ahead and enter that in this field. The next step is to enter or paste the address you want to send to. This is the most important part of the video. Open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. After that, you will land on the home page of the app. From there, tap on the bank icon of the app. It is this icon here. You will see different options such as Invest, Bitcoin, and more. From the options, tap the one named Bitcoin, as you can see here. You will land on a page where you will see different options such as Buy Bitcoin, but we want to transfer it to this wallet. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will see options like Get Paid in Bitcoin and Deposit Bitcoin. These are found under the More Ways to Get Bitcoin section. After that, tap the option named Deposit Bitcoin. You will land on another page where you will see your Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address. After that, go back to the SafePal application. Finally, paste the address in the field provided and then tap the Send button. The Bitcoin will be transferred to your Cash App wallet. From there, you can then convert the Bitcoin to cash within the app and use the cash to make payments. It's that simple. That is how to transfer money from SafePal to Cash App. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.